Thousands of people are earning commissions every day through affiliate websites. But if you don't know how to set it up the right way, it's so easy to fall behind. You're probably someone who's trying to get started with affiliate marketing, but all the tutorials you're watching are either too complicated or they just skip the stuff that beginners actually need. We get it. You've probably seen people making money online with affiliate marketing, but you're stuck wondering, how do I even build a website? What do I write about? How do I get accepted into Amazon Associates? It's overwhelming. And if you get it wrong early on, your account might get rejected, or worse, your site sits there making no money. But don't worry, we've got you. In this video, we're gonna walk you step by step through the exact process of setting up your own affiliate website using Hostinger and integrating it with Amazon Associates so you can start earning commissions, even if you're a complete beginner. And this isn't just theory. We'll actually build a site with you, show you how to apply for Amazon Associates so that you can get accepted, and also how to connect everything the right way. Over the past year, we've spent countless hours in the online world, particularly in digital marketing, learning the ins and outs of what actually works and where most beginners end up wasting their time. Affiliate marketing is one of the few strategies that we found to consistently work, especially when you approach it the right way. So that's why in this video, we're going to show you how to set your first website up with Hostinger. We're also going to show you what the Amazon Associates requirements are and how to apply and get approved. We're also going to show you how to add affiliate links to your site and optimize it for better results. Plus, a few beginner-friendly tips to help you get clicks and commissions faster. By the end of this video, you'll not only have your own affiliate website set up, but you'll also have a solid base to start growing. Let's get into it. All right, so let's take a moment to talk about Amazon Associates and what it actually is. I know it might sound a bit confusing at first, but don't worry. We're going to break it down step by step so that you know exactly how it works. Amazon Associates is essentially Amazon's affiliate program, which lets you earn money by simply sharing links to products you like. How does it work? You get your own special affiliate link for every product that you intend on selling from Amazon. Share it on your website, blogs, or even YouTube videos. And when someone clicks and buys, you earn the commission. Here's the best part. It doesn't have to be the exact item that they clicked on. If they buy anything during that shopping session, you're still getting paid. For example, if someone clicks through your link to buy a tech product and all of a sudden they change their mind and they want to go and buy a pet accessory, you still get the commission even if they buy the pet product. Crazy, right? Now, to get started, you'll need an active website, blog, or even just a YouTube channel. But here's the catch. You need to make at least 3 sales within the first 180 days. Don't worry, it's not as tough as it sounds, especially when you're promoting products that people already love that are on Amazon. All right, so the first step is to just go to Google and type in Amazon Associates, and it should come up here as the first link. What you want to do is click on that link, and then you want to click on this button here, sign up. Now, if you haven't already got an Amazon account, you want to go and click on create your Amazon account. You want to put all your details in there. So once you pass that first page, it's going to bring you to this one here. This is your account information. So it's just going to ask for a bit more additional information. Now, once you fill this page out, you want to go and click on next. Now it's going to bring you to this page here. This is where you have to enter your website. Now, if you don't already have a website, then that's fine. Make sure you stick around because we're going to go through a step-by-step tutorial on how to create that using Hostinger. But for now, I'm just going to go ahead and put in my own website. Now, once you've added your website URL in there, you want to click on next. So now it's asking you what your preferred store ID is. So we could just go with something like Dan and Nath. Put a bit of information there about the content that you create. Then you also just want to describe what your content is like. And once you've filled out this whole page, you want to go down and click on finish. Now, once everything's all good and you've signed up, you're going to get to this page here. Now, this is going to be your unique associate ID. One thing that you do need to remember is that if your affiliate links have not referred qualified sales after 180 days, your application and access to Associate Central will be withdrawn. So you need to make 3 qualified sales within the first 180 days from opening your account. But trust me, it's super easy. We're going to show you exactly how to do that later on in this video. Now, from here, you want to go and enter your payment and tax information. So just go ahead and put your mobile number in there. Now, from this page, you want to go and add your bank account details. And then if you scroll down here, you can update your tax information as well. Now, once you've filled out all your information, your bank account information, your tax information, and your account is set up and ready to go, it's going to bring you to the Amazon Associates Central page, which is basically the home page. Now, down here, you can see it's going to give you an overview of your earnings for the last 30 days. It's also going to give you a summary for the month. But if you wanted to go and find any more additional information about your account, on the top right hand corner here, these 3 bars here, it's got your reports so you can keep track of your performances. Tools, so this is where you can manage your tracking IDs or check your links to make sure that they're definitely working and you are getting the commissions off of those links. They've also got promotions so you can find other opportunities to earn more money, Creator University, your account settings, and then any other help that you need. Now, the next step, you want to go back to here and click on tools, and we're going to go to OneLink. This is going to allow you to monetize your international traffic. Now, to get started, you want to click on the blue button here. So next we're going to click on add countries. So say, for example, we wanted to sell in the UK, and then we can click those and click on next. You want to accept the terms and click on submit. So next you want to click on OneLink redirection preferences. So I recommend for all countries just to go with close match. And then once you've done that, you want to click on save changes. So now I'm on Amazon.com. Now, if you look in the top left-hand corner here, this tool is called SiteStripe. So this is where you can earn your affiliate commissions. So essentially, if I was to go and click on any product, now say for example, I wanted to sell this watch. What I would do is go to the top right corner here and click on get link. Now, it's going to give you either a full link, which is extensively long. You would just want to go with the short link and copy and paste that into however you plan on promoting this product. Now, you also want to make sure that it links up with your store ID and your tracking ID. Otherwise, you may not be getting the affiliate commissions from when you make a sale. And here's where it gets exciting. Now that you've got your Amazon Associates account set up, you can use Hostinger to go and create your website. Hostinger is a game changer. It's perfect for beginners who want to set up a website and get started with affiliate marketing without having to go through all the complicated tech stuff. Hostinger's setup is incredibly simple and it gives you everything you need to create a professional looking site. Once your Hostinger account is up and running, you'll be using WordPress to create your site. So the first step to get started is to sign up with Hostinger. And if you want to get 20% off, then use our referral link in the description. So once you've clicked on that special link, it's going to take you to this page here. What you want to do is scroll down towards the bottom and it's going to help you to pick your perfect plan. So for this link up with Amazon Associates, you're going to have to buy the business plan for this one. So it's only $3.99 US a month, which is probably about $6 Australian. So once you've signed up for Hostinger, it's going to bring you to this homepage here. From here, you want to navigate to the website subheading and then click on websites list. Once you get to this page, what you want to do next is click add website and click on WordPress. So basically, WordPress is just a hosting website. Now, once you've clicked through that and you'll come to this page here, you want to go and put in your email and your password, everything you want to fill out there. Now from here, it's going to give you 2 options to either create a website with AI or pre-build websites and themes. Now what we want to do is click on create a website with AI, then click on next. So next is what you want to put in your domain name. So this is what's going to come up here on the search bar once you've accessed your website. Now, because we already have a website that is using this domain, it's going to give us some other subdomain free options to choose from. If you haven't already selected your domain name, then you're going to go and have to put something in and you're probably going to have to pay for it. It isn't too expensive. It is quite cheap. So it could be like ranging from 10 to 20 USD a year. So it's not that much, but you may have to pay for it. So once you've chosen your domain name, you just want to click on install WordPress in the bottom right hand corner. So once you've done that, it's going to bring you to this page here. Essentially, you just want to put in your brand name. When you go and click on your website type, you need to make sure it's affiliate marketing site, and then just a bit of description of what your site will be about. And once you've done that, you want to click on create. So once you click on create, Hostinger's AI website creation is going to produce something. For this example, I've gone with camping or outdoor gear, and it's going to give us a nice, well-structured homepage for people to come and click on. Now, in the top right-hand corner here is going to be blog. So this page here, this is your blog page. So this is where you're going to post your articles and where you're going to promote your Amazon products. But once you do get to this stage, the next thing you want to do is press on confirm and edit for now. We're going to get to editing our blog pages. So now that you've signed up for Hostinger, let's get into linking your Amazon Associates account with WordPress and setting up your website. All right, so to link your Amazon Associates account with WordPress, what you want to do is go to your top left-hand corner here, and this is on the WordPress homepage. So you want to go to the top left-hand corner where it says Hostinger and go and click on Amazon Affiliate. Now, once you get to this page here, it may have already given you a partner ID, but what you want to do is go to your settings. Now, what you want to change is your tracking ID. So to do that, you want to go to your Amazon Associates homepage, click on the top right-hand corner here and go to Tools, and then it's going to say Manage Your Tracking IDs. Now, once you've gotten to this page, it's going to give you your tracking ID here. What you want to do is copy that. You want to go back to your Amazon Affiliates page on WordPress, and you want to paste that in there. So once you scroll down, you'll see the API settings. At this stage, you don't want to touch that. Basically, it's a tool for developers to integrate Amazon's e-commerce data and functionality into their own websites. To get access to this API, you need to have completed 3 qualifying sales in 180 days. You also need to have an approved associate account, and you need to comply with Amazon's operating agreements. So once you're certain you've got the right tracking ID in, you want to go and click on save. So from here, once you've got your tracking ID set up, the next step you want to do is go and actually create your blog article where you can implement your Amazon links. So to do that, we're going to use WordPress and hosting as AI content creator, which is going to do all the work for us. So once you get to this page, it's going to ask you about what the actual page is going to be about and even what products you're going to be promoting. So for content type, we're just going to stick with posts. So for your tone of voice, you've got a range of different options. For this one, I'm just going to go with friendly. For your content length, you can put it whatever you want. I'm just going to keep this short and simple. So what your content is about, you pretty much just want to put a bit of information about who your audience is, what products you're going to be promoting, what type of page it is. So for this example, a blog article, you can always go to ChatGPT and get them to give you a good description. And then you just want to paste that in there, or you can always write something yourself and then click on create content. All right, so once you've clicked on create content, you want to scroll down here. Now it's going to give you your own keywords for you. You can always add more. It's going to give you a bit of a meta description as well, and then an AI generated image, and then also information about your page. So before you go and publish this, you click on edit as a draft. Now, once you've clicked that, it's going to bring you to a page that looks something like this. This is where you can go and edit and you can implement your Amazon products into the page. Now to do that, you want to click on the top left-hand corner here, toggle block inserter. And you want to click on link Amazon product. Now what that's going to do is it's going to give you a few options to choose from, so you can pick a single product card. And this is where you're just going to put one product in there and you can put a bit of a description and what the price is. You can also put multiple product lists. But one of the best features to this, you can actually go and include a comparison table. So this is where it's going to put your 2 products side by side. So say one product could be $12, one product could be $10. It could have a bit of a description of each product, and then it's right there for the audience to see, and they can make the decision then and there. Now to add your comparison table in there, what you want to do is click on select. Now, if you haven't already gone and created a table, what you can do is click on add a new table configuration. So first you want to put in a table name. So we could just say camping gear, for example. Then you want to search for your product. So if you haven't already gone and chosen a product, that's fine. You don't even have to. So if I wanted to, I could just type in camping chairs, for example, and click on that. So we could go and select a chair that's say $87, and then we could go and pick something that's a bit cheaper so that we could give them that alternative. So we could go with one that's $40. So once you've chosen your products, you can choose a few more if you want as well. You just want to scroll down to the bottom and click on confirm selection. So now that you've got your products in there, you want to click on continue. Now you don't have to touch anything with here. This is just going to be what's going to come up on the page. So it's going to give them the title of the product. It's going to give them a thumbnail, so what a photo of the product, and then a price, and then a bit more information, which is just going to be your Amazon button. So that's going to be linked to your tracking ID. And if they go and click on that button and make a purchase, then you get the commission. Now, once you've created your comparison table and you saved your changes, what you want to do is go and click on posts. Now, before, when it gave you the chance to either click posts or pages, if you had clicked on pages, then you would go to pages. But for us, we clicked on posts. So you want to go and click on all posts. Then you want to click on that post that we just created. Now, once you're back in this page, you want to scroll down to where you went to include the table. You want to click on comparison table, choose the table configuration, and then this should come up here. You want to click on that and click on continue. And there you go. You give them the audience 2 different range of prices that they can choose from. But say, for example, they were happy to go with the more expensive option. They would click on buy on Amazon, and it would take you to this page here. Now, as you can see here, if someone was to go and buy this product, you'd be getting 3% as a commission because the category is outdoor recreation. Now, Amazon's commission rates do vary depending on what the product is. So for example, Amazon Games, you get a 20% commission rate if you were to sell one of these. But then say, for example, televisions and digital video games, you'd be getting 2%. So it really just varies depending on what the product actually is. For the majority of the products, so this sort of section here, you're ranging anywhere between 3 to 4%. Now, once you've gone back and you've edited your page, you've made it look more professional, more engaging for the audience, you want to go and click on publish, and then click on publish again. And then it's going to come up post published. You want to click on view post. So essential camping gear for your next adventure. It'll put an image in there for you. It'll give you a bit more of a description. This is all of that AI content creator tool, giving that description for you. And then down here, it's gonna have the 2 products in the comparison table. Now, if you weren't happy with something, you can just go to the tab up here and click on edit post. All right, so you've got your website set up, you've got everything looking great, and you're ready to sell. But here's the thing, if you're not bringing in the right people, how can you expect to make any sales? Let me break it down for you. It's not just about getting a ton of visitors to your site, it's about getting the right visitors. What does he mean by that? Let's take our camping gear website for an example. If someone who's into, I don't know, say makeup lands on our site, they won't be finding what they're looking for, and they definitely won't be clicking on our affiliate links. But outdoor lovers, camping enthusiasts, that's our sweet spot. These are the people who actually care about tents, hiking equipment, and other camping gear. The ones most likely to find value in our content and convert into buyers. So instead of chasing the numbers, let's focus on targeted strategies that bring in the audience that actually want what we are offering. How do we do that? Number 1, SEO. By creating SEO-focused articles around your product or niche, you can drive targeted traffic to your site. For example, let's say someone is searching for camping gear. If you've created a well-written SEO-optimized article on that topic, your site has a much better chance of appearing in search results. And the best part, these people are already looking for these types of products that you're promoting. So not only are they in your target audience, but they're actively searching for ways to make purchases. And this is where SEO can make a huge difference in driving the right traffic to your site so you can actually start making conversions. If writing SEO optimized blogs isn't your thing, you can easily hire a freelancer off platforms like Fiverr or Upwork for an affordable price. They'll handle everything, research, writing, and even publishing the post for you if you're still getting the hang of website setup. Number 2, creating short form videos. With platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, short form videos are a goldmine for reaching new audiences quickly. These videos don't need to be long or complicated. In fact, the more concise and engaging, the better. For example, you could create a quick video showing off the benefits of a product you're promoting, or even a before and after style video that highlights how a product improves someone's life. The key is to make it relatable and show real value. What makes short form videos so great is that all it takes is one viral video to send tons of traffic to your site, especially if you're directing them to check out the full product reviews and guides on your website. Plus, because people are already spending so much time on these platforms looking for something entertaining or useful, you have a real opportunity to grab their attention and introduce them to your affiliate products in a way that feels natural. If you want to learn how to make short form content, we've actually got a tutorial on how to make money with AI. This tutorial goes in depth on how you can create TikTok videos to drive traffic to the products that you're promoting. Make sure to go check it out, and we'll leave a link in the description. So there you have it. Hosting makes setting up your affiliate website simple, affordable, and beginner friendly. And when you combine it with Amazon Associates, you've got an easy entry point into the world of affiliate marketing. With the right niche, strategic content, and tools that we've showed you today, you can start earning commissions and build a website that actually works for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so we can continue growing the channel and you can keep getting valuable content from us. Feel free to leave a comment about something that you're interested in, or if you like this video, and we'll see you in the next one.